Radhe Radhe. Hello everyone. Welcome to Angela Anatomy Classroom. So we were studying about the humerus, and today we will study about the shaft of the humerus. So what is shaft? The area that lies between the upper and lower end. This main body. This is shaft. So shaft is rounded at the upper end and triangular at the lower end. So shaft has basically three borders and three surfaces. First we would study about the borders of the shaft. So three borders are there: anterior border, medial border, lateral border. Okay, you can see in the diagram, at the lateral end it is lateral border, at the medial end it is medial border, and on the anterior surface lies the anterior border. So let us explain it one by one. Let us study these borders one by one. So first of all, we were studying about the anterior border. Okay. So we would also see this anterior border here in the diagram. Anterior border would be lying on the anterior surface. Okay. So on the upper end, it will form the intertubercle lateral lip of intertubercle sulcus. Okay, anterior border will form the lateral lip of the intertubercle sulcus. This is the intertubercle sulcus. I have already drawn it here. So it lies between the greater tubercle. It separates the greater tubercle and lesser tubercle. Okay, and anterior border forms the upper end of the anterior border forms the lateral lip of the intertubercle sulcus. Next, coming to the middle part of the anterior border. Middle part of the anterior border forms the deltoid tuberosity. You can locate the deltoid tuberosity here. It is drawn in the diagram also, and you can see it very clearly. Now coming to the lower half. Okay. So lower half of the anterior border is smooth and rounded. There is nothing special here to know about it. Okay. Now we would be coming to the next lateral border. Okay. So lateral border, talking about the lateral border, it is prominent near the lower end. Lateral border is prominent near the lower border of the this shaft, near the lateral supracondylar ridge, and it is barely traceable at the upper end. You cannot locate it easily on the upper end, but yes, it is very prominent at the lower end near the lateral supracondylar ridge. Okay, so talking about the middle part of the middle part of the lateral border. So middle part of the lateral border is interrupted by radial or spiral groove. You can see it here. Middle part is interrupted by radial groove. I have already drawn the radial groove here, and you can easily locate the radial groove here, and you can also see that this radial groove is interrupting the lateral border. Okay. Now coming to the medial border. What about medial border? First of all, upper part. Upper part of the medial border forms the medial lip of the intertubercle sulcus. So this is the upper part of the medial border will lie somewhere here. Okay, this is the medial border. Upper part will lie somewhere here, and it will contribute in forming the medial lip of the intertubercle sulcus. Now coming to the middle part, it presents a rough. See, you can see it presents a rough strip continuous below with the medial supracondylar ridge. So middle part will join lower part and near medial supracondylar ridge. So basically the sense is to say that the middle border will end near medial supracondylar ridge. Okay. So this was all about about the borders of the shaft of the humerus. Okay, so I hope you will like my lectures, you will understand the lectures. If you have any confusion or you want to ask anything or you have any suggestions as well, you can type in the comment section. But before that, please like, share and subscribe, because your likes, share and subscribes will give me motivation to further create more videos like this, if it is helping you obviously. Thank you very much.